What if I told you that small changes in your financial habits today could set you up for a financially secure future? If you're in your 20s or 30s and feel like you're stuck in a cycle of spending and saving without making real progress, you're not alone. But here's the good news. It's not about earning more money. It's about being smart with the money you already have. In this video, we'll dive into the top 8 smart money moves to make in your 20s and 30s that will help you build wealth, avoid common financial traps, and set yourself up for a comfortable future. Let's get started. 1. Develop good budgeting habits. Let's face it, budgeting isn't the most glamorous topic, but it's one of the most important steps towards financial freedom. It's not just about tracking where your money goes. It's about taking control of your cash flow and ensuring you live within your means. The 50/30/20 rule is a simple, yet powerful way to budget your income effectively. 50% goes to essentials, your rent, utilities, and groceries. 30% is for your wants, like dining out and entertainment, and the remaining 20% should be allocated to savings. This rule allows you to prioritize savings while still enjoying life. The key is consistency. Checking on your spending goals regularly to ensure you're sticking to your budget. Budgeting also provides you with financial clarity and can help you avoid unnecessary debt. Over time, having a budget allows you to make smarter financial decisions, reduce stress, and save for future goals. The best part? Budgeting isn't about depriving yourself. It's about making intentional choices that help you reach your financial goals. 2. Set financial goals. Setting financial goals gives you a roadmap for the future. Without clear goals, it's easy to get sidetracked by short-term spending. But when you have specific targets in mind, whether short-term, mid-term, or long-term, it's easy to stay on track. Start by breaking down your goals into manageable categories. Short-term goals can include building an emergency fund or saving for vacation. Mid-term goals might involve saving for a down payment on a home. And long-term goals, such as retirement, may seem distant. But the earlier you start, the more you'll benefit from compounding growth. The key is breaking these larger goals into smaller, actionable steps. For example, if your long-term goal is to save $500,000 for retirement, figure out how much you need to save each month to reach that goal. Reassess your goals regularly and adjust them as needed to stay on track. Setting goals also helps you measure progress, which can be a huge motivator. By visualizing your financial journey, you create a sense of accomplishment and feel more empowered to stay on track. Moreover, financial goals allow you to prioritize what matters most to you, ensuring that you're not wasting money on unnecessary things. 3. Set up an emergency savings fund. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected events like a car repair, medical emergency, or even job loss can throw off your financial plans. That's why having an emergency savings fund is essential. Strive to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. This fund will act as your financial safety net, allowing you to cover life's unexpected expenses without going into debt. Having an emergency fund also gives you the flexibility to take risks in your career or personal life. Whether it's changing jobs, starting a business, or pursuing new opportunities, knowing you have a cushion to fall back on gives you the freedom to make bold moves. Building an emergency fund also keeps you from having to tap into your retirement savings or other investment accounts when life throws you a curveball. It provides peace of mind knowing that you won't need to rely on high-interest credit cards or loans to cover unplanned costs. The key is to start small and build over time, so you're prepared for whatever may come your way. 4. Pay off high-interest debt. High-interest debt is one of the biggest roadblocks to financial success. If you're carrying credit card debt or personal loans with high interest rates, it can feel like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of paying interest without getting ahead. The faster you pay off this debt, the sooner you can start redirecting that money towards savings and investments. Start by paying off the highest interest debt first, or use the snowball method, where you tackle the smallest balances to build momentum. Either way, the goal is to eliminate debt quickly so that you can focus on building wealth. Be sure to check your credit card statements regularly to avoid late fees and additional interest charges. Once you've cleared your high-interest debt, reassess your finances and start putting that money into your savings and investment accounts. Additionally, Consolidating your high-interest debts into a lower-interest loan can also help save you money in the long run. Remember, the less interest you pay on debt, the more you can invest in your future. Making debt elimination priority will allow you to redirect funds toward wealth-building activities and secure your financial future. 5. Begin planning for your retirement. While retirement might feel like it's far away, the sooner you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. The key to successful retirement planning is giving your investments time to compound. Even if you can only make small contributions initially, those small amounts will build up over time. If your employer offers a 401k match, make sure you take full advantage of it. It's essentially free money. For those who are self-employed, options like a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA can provide great retirement saving benefits. The power of consistent contributions, even if they're modest, can result in a large nest egg when it's time to retire. The earlier you begin, the easier it is to create a solid foundation. You don't need to invest a large percentage right away. Starting with even a small amount can make a big impact. To ensure you stay consistent, automate your retirement contributions and take advantage of tax-deferred accounts to maximize your savings. The most powerful tool in retirement savings is time. The earlier you begin, the more your money can grow with the help of compounding interest, setting you up for a secure and financially independent retirement. 6. Invest in yourself. Building wealth isn't just about saving. It's also about increasing your earning potential. One of the best investments you can make is in yourself. Whether it's through education, professional development, or acquiring new skills, investing in yourself pays off in the long run. Take advantage of opportunities to grow, attend workshops, earn certifications, or pursue higher education. It will help you advance in your career. The more you invest in your personal development, the higher your earning potential becomes. Think about where you want to be in 5 or 10 years and invest in the skills and knowledge you need to get there. This is an investment that will continue to pay dividends throughout your career. Also, developing strong professional networks and seeking mentorship can open doors to career opportunities and new income streams. Investing in your health and well-being also plays a key role in sustaining your success. The more well-rounded you are, the more you increase your chances for long-term financial stability. 7. Avoid lifestyle creep. Lifestyle creep is a gradual increase in spending as your income rises. It's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle with every raise or bonus you get, buying a bigger house, a nicer car, or going on expensive vacations. But this kind of spending can derail your long-term financial goals. Instead of increasing your spending, focus on increasing your savings rate when you get raises or bonuses. Use that extra income to boost your retirement contributions or invest in assets that will pay off in the future. The goal is to let your savings grow steadily, even as your income increases. Resist the urge to splurge on luxuries and keep your financial priorities in focus. By consistently saving a percentage of every raise or bonus, you ensure that your lifestyle doesn't spiral out of control. Keep your focus on long-term financial goals rather than short-term material gains, and you'll find yourself on a much steadier financial path. 8. Seek financial advice. The best time to start planning for your financial future is now. In your 20s and 30s, it's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day and forget about long-term planning. But starting early gives you a major advantage with the power of compound growth. If you're feeling unsure about your financial plans or need help navigating the complexities of retirement, taxes, and investments, consider seeking advice from a financial planner or advisor. They can help you set realistic goals, develop a personalized financial plan, and avoid costly mistakes. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a home, starting a business, or planning for retirement, a financial advisor can provide valuable guidance and help you make informed decisions about your money. A financial advisor can also help you optimize your tax strategy, manage your assets, and plan for major life events like marriage, buying property, or starting a family. Having a trusted professional by your side gives you clarity and ensures you stay focused on the right financial path. There you have it, the 8 smart money moves to make in your 20s and 30s. By following these strategies, you'll be on your way to building wealth, avoiding common financial mistakes, and setting yourself up for a secure future. No matter where you are on your financial journey, it's never too early to start making these moves. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more actionable financial advice. Together, we can take control of our financial futures and start building wealth in our 20s and 30s. We'll see you in the next video.